Welcome back, eSIM Studios. We have another review for you, case review. This one is a little special. It is the official Google Silicone case for the Pixel 8 Pro. We purchased this, did not come with the phone. We purchased this with the phone and it came with the phone, but not free. We purchased it, but it came in the same package. But this is the white variant, and if you want to hang around, I'm going to do a separate video on this blue one just to see what it looks like on these different phones. But I will put this white one on the white Pixel 8 Pro and the blue Pixel 8 Pro. Now let's look at the construction. It's a little different from what you're probably used to. Like this case, where it's got a hard back and a soft silicone top and bottom and sides. This one is hard silicone all the way around. Now, it is a good sturdy construction. I'm not sure how much this is. I think it's like 30 bucks, I believe. I'm not sure, somewhere around there. But it is a, look, it is silicone. Feels like it's a PC polycarbonate inside with like a silicone feel or silicone coating on the outside. Because it's not your, you know, you have some silicone cases that are like super squishy and you can like bend them and do all this stuff. This one you can't really bend. Excuse me, it has some firmness to it. You can bend it a little bit, but it's not entirely squishy. It feels nice, it feels smooth, very smooth. You got the Google logo right there. Is that engraved or is that a sticker? I think it's engraved. I'm trying to see if I could take the G off. Doesn't look like it, so that should stay on there. Usually with these expensive cases that you get from Google, or if you buy one from any other manufacturer, they're usually pretty good construction, so I don't think that'll come off. Usually on the cheap cases, it'll be like a sticker or something that'll come off over time. I don't think that's coming off over time. Another thing that's interesting is the cutout for the camera bar. Now, this is not my favorite. I typically like more coverage, like I was showing you with that other case, like this, right? Because look, that's a whole cutout, and this one's got protection. But if you use, check this out, if you put on a screen protector, right? This one's got a screen protector on it. A lot of the screen protectors come with these camera protectors. Now, I don't use these, and I'll show you why. If you plan on using this case or any other case that has a complete 100% cutout for the camera bar, you can use this and put this on your camera. That's a camera protector, basically a screen protector, but for your camera. You just peel that off and then put it on there. Now, this case will work on your phone with this on your phone because it has the cutout. Now, if you put this on your Pixel, this camera bar protector, you cannot use a case like this because the case will not entirely fit over your phone. Because if you have that on your phone, actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and put one of these on there. I don't plan on keeping this on there. I got plenty of them. They sent like 5 of them, so I'll just do it for the video. Okay, so if you do like this, sorry, I'm gonna bend down here and do a little experiment live on camera. Okay, so it's going to go just like that. Now, it doesn't provide any lineup thing where you can helps you line it up. So I'm going to do this and hopefully it works. Okay. So it's on there. So now we got the camera protector on there. I'll show you why. If you have one of these on your phone, you can use this case, because look, when you put it in there, see it's raised up, that little extra piece of glass. It won't work on this, and I'll show you how, because when you put it on there, it's not going to entirely fit this part, it's not going to fit over your phone. But if you have this on here, you can use this Google Pixel case. Fits right on there perfectly. So the camera bar is exposed, and actually I recommend you probably using a camera protector if you're using this case, because if you're not, it's going to be fully exposed like this one. See? Now, if you use this phone with this case, the camera, well, it does fit, but not really. I mean, look, you can get away with it, but I'm not doing it. That gives you 100% protection, but look, it pops off really easy. It's barely on. See how easy it comes off? It barely fits on there. So, anyways, that's just a little. That's just a little thing you need to, I guess, think about when using a fully exposed case with the camera bar fully open. Now, let's look at this construction. There are no air pockets. Let me move these. It's focusing on those phones. There are no air pockets inside this case in the corners, which you will see typical with other cases like this one. You got an air pocket in this corner, air pocket in that corner, and in the other two. That's to absorb the impact, boom, when it hits the ground. It has a nice big cutouts for your USB Type-C speaker. You got the cutout for the mic up top, and you got these nice little chrome tabs for your power and volume up and volume down. Can you see it on the other side? Yep, you can. So these might pop out over time. I'm not sure. Do those come out? I'm sure I could get it out, but screw it. So it looks like a pretty good constructed case. You have the nice felt, like a suede type of material inside. Let's see, I went ahead and put it on here, but let's try it again and see how tight the fit is and if what protection it provides. Now, this one does this one does not have a screen protector on the front. This one does, so we'll check this one and see if it fits with a screen protector, glass screen protector. But it does give you just a little, not a lot, just a little bit of lip protection on the top and bottom, and then around all four sides. As you can tell, it just barely lifts up, which is good because you don't want your screen to touch the surface. And it does not wobble. Nice and sturdy. Nice feeling case. It gives you actually decent amount of grip. It's not, it stays in your hand. It's not going to be slippery. Has a nice soft touch to it. Let's take that crap off of here. I hate those things. So, looks really nice. Actually, looks better without that because that one's black, right? And this one's you got that chrome across the camera bar, which matches the chrome G and the chrome buttons right there. So very nice looking case, elegant case. I don't know how much drop protection this will provide. Should, give you relative protection. I wouldn't take this outside. I would just use this inside the home or the office, possibly the gym. Definitely not if I'm walking around outside. Let's put this on the blue one and see what it looks like. Okay, so it does not touch or lift the screen protector. It does have a very, very small cutout up there. I've seen some more cases that are more pronounced cutout for the up top speaker or earpiece speaker. And it's almost, you know what, is that even with the glass screen protector? It looks like it. So if you put a glass screen protector on your Pixel, it looks like it's about even with this case on it. Meaning, if you have a screen protector on your Pixel just like this with this case on it, and you set it down, it might scratch your screen protector because it's sitting level. I think it's sitting level. Let's see. Normally, I like to have my cases, at least the top and bottom, preferably all four corners or all four sides, lift up a little bit over the screen and or screen protector. So when you set it down, you know for sure if you move it or it gets moved or kicked or whatever, it drops, it's not going to make the surface is not going to make contact with your screen or screen protector. But it is what it is. It still gives you some protection. And this is with the blue Pixel. Very nice. Very nice case. Everything lines up perfectly. Goes on pretty. It's not snug. I'll take that back. It is snug. Actually, it's kind of a tight fit. Is it clicking? Not so much. Interesting. I'll put a link in the description if this case interests you. And I believe I have a discount code. Don't hold me to that, but I'm going to check before I post this video. And if I do, I'll put it in the description as well. If I don't, then I won't. But it looks good with this white one. Goes on nice and easy. Cool. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. I'm going to review that blue. I'm going to review this one next and see what it looks like on the phones. Peace.